with another video. I don't have an intro, as you guys already know. But first and foremost, I want to get into this eyebrow tutorial because this is a tutorial that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Everyone has been asking me, how do you get your eyebrows to look like that? Oh my god, I love your eyebrows. So I decided to do a tutorial. So let's not waste any time. By the way, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell. Alright, let's get into this. 3, 2, and 1. So let's get straight into this tutorial. As you guys can tell, I am doing Nedley's hair. I used to do hair back in high school and I kind of stopped. But today I was like, you know what? While I do this eyebrow tutorial, I might as well do a complete makeover. So that's the bonus of this video. So I'm going ahead and kind of did like a closure sew-in. So what do y'all think I did? Comment down below. Let me know how y'all think I did, because I think I slayed her hair. What y'all think? I don't know. I think I did a good job. But first, we're going to go ahead and go straight into her makeup. And the makeup look that we're going to do today, we're going to do like a very natural, everyday look that you can wear to go out. Just very simple. As you guys already know, I had recently uploaded a eyebrow tutorial that went into depth about how to do the eyebrows. So I'm not going to explain thoroughly how to do an eyebrow, but you guys can go ahead and check out this video of the eyebrow tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and speed that up, and I am using the Colourpop brow pencil. As you guys already know, that's my favorite. And then I'm going to conceal so that we could go ahead and move on with the actual face. By the way, you guys, please comment down below, how did you guys feel about the eyebrow tutorial that I did? Do you guys prefer for me to do more of a natural brow, a more contoured Instagram kind of brow? Please let me know down below. Can't be alone on my night. Just need you here by my side. Now I'm gonna go straight into the face with the e.l.f. mattifying lotion / primer. It's a primer that I found at Walmart. I ain't gonna lie, late night I'd be strolling. I don't know, do you guys go to Walmart late night? Because I do. Like, I go to Walmart late night and I be finding all the good joints. Like, so I picked this up because I was like, oh, I want to try that. And honestly, I love it. So you guys go ahead and check it out at Walmart. I think they have it at Target. And then just let me know what you guys think about it. And then I'm going to go straight in with her foundation. The foundation that I'm using is from NARS. As you guys know, NARS is one of my favorite foundations. I think you guys should definitely add it towards your kit. I also use Anastasia Beverly Hills as well. That's another foundation that I really like. But for now, I am using NARS in the shade Macao on Nedley's face. Guys, I've been hiding this beauty blender for a very long time. It's the Luxury Club Beauty Blender, coming soon, period. It has a flat surface and it's super soft. It's way better than the actual beauty blender. I'm just saying, you know. I used that to blend out her concealer, and the concealer I had used was Tarte Shape Tape, and then I went in and contoured with the Lancome foundation stick. Now, when you're doing an everyday look, you don't necessarily have to do all creams with the contour. You can just highlight under your eyes with concealer and then just do the nose, and then for like your actual face you can just put pressed powder. Like, you can use powder to basically contour instead of contouring with cream, then setting it with powder, if that makes sense. Then using the beauty blender, I'm going to utilize the Mercier translucent powder to set under the eyes, and I'm using my beauty blender to pat that in. I like to use the beauty blender to add translucent powder. The reason why I like it better is because my beauty blender has a flat surface, and honestly, when I apply pressure, it melts the translucent powder right into the skin / concealer. So that's why I like using my beauty blender. Another beauty blender that you can use is the e.l.f. beauty blender. It's like this new beauty blender that they have. It's brown, I think. No, it's not brown. It's kind of like nude. I love that beauty blender as well. So you guys can use that as well. And then I'm going to go straight into contour, and I'm using a pressed powder to contour. I'm mixing between the Fenty bronzer in Mocha Mami or Mocha Nani. And I also mixed it with the Black Radiance medium to dark contour palette. And I use that to go ahead and contour on the eyelids and the cheeks and also the forehead as well. Just to let you guys know, I am using my 20-piece lash box set, which you guys can purchase on my website at www.itstheluxuryclub.com. It's $20. Yes, $20, sis. So that's $1 per lash, and it comes with 20 pairs. Guys, I had to take a cheers and sip some wine for y'all, because let me tell y'all, this look was coming together. I was so excited about my new products. It was just amazing, like, period. And there she go with the lashes, real flirty, very cute, very much sexy, very much I'll take your man. And I'm going to highlight with the Glow Kit from Anastasia as well. And I sprayed her face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that all into her skin, using the Beauty Blender, of course.
In the night when I'm thinking about your choice, you walked away, now I'm all alone.
And there you have it, a everyday, natural, quick makeup beat that anybody could do. Stay tuned, you guys, because I have a little surprise for you guys at the end.
Thinking about your choice, you walked away, now I'm all alone. Turn the page, close the book, these are changing times, I'll never break through your barricade.
So guys, this is the finished look. So what do you guys think? Oh my god, it was,
I love it.
What, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. But guys, I really wanted to show you guys this makeover. This is a very natural naked look. You can wear it out on a regular day. You can wear it out to go out for maybe dinner, or you could just wear it to be cute, honey. So this is a simple and easy look. It's an everyday look. You can go ahead and learn how to do this, and I would love to see you guys do it. But just let me know how it goes in the comments down below. And also let me know, what do you guys think? What was your favorite part? What did you think could be better? Or I want to hear from you guys. So just go ahead and write something in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you guys can get the new notifications on all the new bangers I'm about to hit and drop, period.